Okay, so I just cleaned it up. I didn't have any acetone or anything, so I just used rubbing alcohol just to break through the grease. So that's cleaned up. Let's see if I can get it focused. There you go. This is what I'm currently working with. It's kind of thin, I'm surprised. But I should be able to cut a notch somewhere and then get a punch and punch it around. So I'll get back to you once I get the cuts put in. So here's the cuts. I put 3 in, equally spaced apart, so I can punch around it. And that was the fun part. Just gotta slowly get it out. So the punch wasn't working. So I cut the grooves bigger, and I was able to put in this bigger file that I could get this wrench on. And now she comes out. She's free. Finally. Yep. That's it. Well, I got these out. I don't understand what these are truly for. These holes right here and here. I guess it's something for different or higher, or maybe even the oil sump. Like that might be an oil end, and then it'll like the compressive oiler instead of just the splash lubricated type. But there's just 2 bolts in those. One thing that did surprise me is that this thing looks metal. It's actually fully plastic, which is kind of sad. I was hoping it was glass. But yeah, now that it can get light behind of it, you can see it's completely plastic, which is come back here. I talked bad about it and he's running away now. But yeah, probably will get the metal one of those. And then the next challenge, I'm going to say challenge, most of it's still there, is that guy. Is the broken centrifugal unloader valve. That was easier than I thought. Well, it was barely held in there. It looked like with some Teflon, which I don't understand because the seal is actually between, let's see, there should be a piece that goes out right here. And then as the motor starts spinning, the dogs or the masses that swing pull out, and when that happens, it pulls this in, and basically there's a spring behind here, and that's what closes off the air. So as it spins back down and stops, it pushes it and then it releases all the air that's in the line and in the head and everything basically before the tank, before the check valve. But that came out easily, and I took off the top piece, which is basically just meant to release excess air instead of pressurizing this up if there is any air that gets through here. So that's what that was for. I might polish that up and make it nice and shiny. That way I have nice brass pieces. Yeah, and now I just need to get my stupid certification for the school because they moved the sandblast cabinet out of the machine shop into another area, which I don't have permission to use without the certification, which was, well, I originally had it before they moved it, which sucks. But I might be able to do it at another place. I have to see though. Well, thanks for watching.